In this particular example, we're going to take a mold and fill approach to create a structure out of material that's difficult to print, in this case an osteogenic material. Here we have the object that we want to make in TSIM, and the technician is beginning to create a 3D computer model of that object within TSIM. In order to then form a mold around it, we'll use BAB to print that mold and then fill with this material that promotes bone growth that is difficult to print because of its composition. Here the technician has started to make that model. We have the structure and the object in the computer space. We are adding the shape to it to get the proper dimensions and geometry. And once the structure is created, we'll simply subtract it from a larger block, which will eventually serve as the mold. Here that block is being created and outlined in yellow. It's now a solid. And our particular target structure to be made of the bone promoting material or osteogenic material is subtracted from that, leaving then a mold that we will use BAB to print. Here confirming that the molded form matches that of the structure that we want to make. Here BAB is starting to print that mold structure, and we're using a hydrogel that is thermo-responsive, such that once it's printed we can chill it and wash it away after we've filled the center with our osteogenic material. Here's the completed mold. Here is the completed mold, and then here is the mold filled with that osteogenic material. And here is that material once the mold has been washed away.